Hey guys, welcome to my cooking show. Today we're making reindeer cookies with melted chocolate. What melted chocolate?
Chocolate?
Then dip your oil into your chocolate. And then dip into the chocolate. Or dip some more. Get some candy eyebrows. Oops, this is I got some eye. It's a man, and then for root of his nose. I'm gonna put this nose. I did his mouth. I did his mouth. To dip it into. See, I put it over here. Here's another mouth. Eyes. Nose. Then a mouth. Right there. Make some reindeer. Oops. Right there. Right here. Then get a mouth. Then get some lips. And some little eyebrows. Then some M&Ms. Get some chocolate. Oh no. It's okay, Mom. Look at these Oreo cookies. I'm all done baking. Banana apple tea. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Happy holidays, everyone. Be busy with Merry Christmas. Subscribe to my channel. It's your kind of time. Bye-bye.